Today we're going to take a look at the Thunderbird Stalker, or the T-Bird Stalker. This came out in 1990, released in the Motorcraft logo. But we're going to cover one that came out in Germany only. So this is the first release of it. See the new model right there. That doesn't always mean it's exactly a new model, but it is for this year. So that's the first one. But there was one that was available in Germany. So the next color came out. You've got it from Germany with the David Hasselhoff sticker on it. It was available in a blue card, number 88. The red version was also available as number 88. So it was released in Germany in this color, released in the USA and international in this color. International doesn't have the number on them. You can see it's just a Havilland logo, no race driver on the roof. Has a copyright date of 1989 on it, I think. Malaysia. But there's one that was available, special color, only available in Germany. And that's the one we're going to take a better look at. It's similar to the other. It's all black. If you watch NASCAR at all, NASCAR has actually changed their sponsors or colors quite often. This is one of the color schemes that they had in NASCAR. I'm not exactly sure why it was only available in Germany, but you can see David Hasselhoff was very popular there, and they had to have his likeness to sell Hot Wheels, I suppose. So I don't have a loose one to show, but I can show this one. It's very similar to the other one, but it's all black. It does have the Goodyear logos, same as the other. Try to get the light back on it. You can see some of the colors are different. The Goodyear is in yellow now. And some of the logos are missing. There's quite a bit of difference. I thought you'd all like to see the Germany only version of the T-Bird Stalker. That's what I had for today. Alright, keep a lookout for that one. That one's really neat. Pretty rare. And have fun collecting. Thanks